Panamera may be optionally equipped with a rear screen. There's a number of different things that you can do on this particular screen. You can follow along with navigation. You can also adjust the navigation from the rear. You can also adjust or change the media. Select the media icon. You can adjust the different media types. If they're not available here, you can select them on the side. You can adjust the volume here as well, or mute if needed. You can also view the cockpit, so basically very similar to the passenger screen where you can see G-forces and a nice compass in addition to your navigation data. You can also see the speed of the vehicle as well and which mode it's in. You can also adjust the settings for your rear display. Through here, you can change the brightness, turn it off entirely, or put it into a standby mode. If you need My Porsche to read out what each of the buttons are, you can select Screen Reader. You can also adjust your seat heating from here as well. You can adjust the ambient lighting in the vehicle. Change the color to a nice dark orange. You can also see the weather. And finally, legal information. You can also lock out this screen from the front if you do not want any input from the rear of the vehicle, and you can do so from the child lock in the door. You now know how to use your rear seat display in your new Panamera.